In this video, I show you why you are facing Pokemon Champions. Your device is not compatible with this version problem. First of all, you have to check that what are the mobile device compatibility requirements. iPhone, iPad, iOS 26 or later, iPad OS 26 or later, 4 GB of RAM more for Android, Android 13 or later, 4 GB of RAM or more. Notes: the app may not launch on devices that have been modified in a way to not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. The app is not guaranteed to work all devices, even if those devices meet the listed requirements. The app may not always work properly for various reasons, including performance, certain specification, and operating condition. It may take some time to the app to be supported on the newest operating system variation. Please check here of the device requirements for Pokemon Home. If your device or phone meets these requirements, then you can play this game. Otherwise, you cannot play this game, and you can see this error. Your device is not compatible with this version.